Hello, and welcome back to BioS. In this video, we're going to be covering active transport in Topic 1 Cell Biology, and this is covered in GCSE Biology and Combined Science Higher and Foundation courses. So, by the end of this video, you should be able to describe how substances are transported into and out of the cells through active transport. You should be able to explain the differences between diffusion, osmosis, and active transport, and you should be able to understand and explain an example of active transport. So first of all, we're going to define active transport. So active transport is the movement of a dilute solution to a more concentrated solution. It moves against the concentration gradient. This therefore requires energy from respiration to occur. Shown here is a root hair cell. The concentration of minerals in a root hair cell is typically higher than outside of the cell. Therefore, if the rules of diffusion were to follow, the minerals would move out of the cell. Therefore, another process has to be used, and therefore this process is known as active transport. However, this process requires energy from respiration to occur. So now we're going to be comparing them. So we're going to be comparing osmosis, diffusion, and active transport. So first of all, osmosis is down a concentration gradient and it does not require energy to occur. And it's the movement of water molecules from an area of high water concentration to an area of lower water concentration across a partially permeable membrane. You can also say from an area of a dilute solution to a more concentrated solution, in simpler terms. Now, diffusion does not require energy to occur again, and it's down a concentration gradient, and it's the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of lower concentration. And now we're going to compare these two to active transport. So active transport requires energy from respiration. It is against the concentration gradient, and it's the movement of molecules from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration. So it's basically the inverse. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand active transport in Topic 1 Cell Biology furthermore. And in the next video, we'll be moving on to Topic 2, Organisation.